Stop scrolling. If you have ever wondered about 5 free AI tools nobody talks about in 2026, this video will change how you think about it forever. Here's the problem. Most people completely misunderstand 5 free AI tools nobody talks about in 2026. They follow outdated advice, waste time on the wrong things, and never see real results. That ends today. Why does 5 free AI tools nobody talks about in 2026 matter so much? Because in the world of AI tools and technology, this single concept separates the people who succeed from those who stay stuck. First key insight about 5 free AI tools nobody talks about in 2026. Start with the fundamentals. Research shows that people who master the basics outperform those who chase advanced strategies by 3 to 1. Second, and this is where most people go wrong with 5 free AI tools nobody talks about in 2026. Consistency beats intensity every single time. A small daily action creates more progress than one massive effort. Third insight that experts in AI tools and technology agree on. Your environment and systems matter more than motivation. Design your setup so that 5 free AI tools nobody talks about in 2026 becomes the easy default. Here is what to do right now about 5 free AI tools nobody talks about in 2026. Take out your phone, set a reminder, and commit to one specific action before the end of today. Not tomorrow, today. One more thing about 5 free AI tools nobody talks about in 2026 that surprises most people. The biggest breakthroughs happen not when you push harder, but when you step back and let the process work. To recap what we covered about 5 free AI tools nobody talks about in 2026. Master the basics first, stay consistent, design your environment, take action today, and trust the process. If this video helped you understand 5 free AI tools nobody talks about in 2026, smash that like button, subscribe for daily videos on AI tools and technology, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. See you tomorrow.